Hi, I am Moses Alex. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is program Mathematics. Please, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this YouTube channel, this is program Mathematics. Like I said, I say you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the videos, like the videos, make your comments known in the comment section. And at the same time, please recommend this channel also to your friends, your relatives, and everyone around you. By so doing, we'll be able to reach larger audience. Okay, so now in the last class, when I explained the subtraction of matrices, I gave two questions to practice. Okay, so the first one says we should show whether or not M transpose minus N transpose is the same as M minus N transpose. Because under the addition, I gave you something of that nature, that if you have M transpose plus N transpose, this is the same thing as M plus N transpose. Okay, so can we have the same property for the subtraction of matrices? So in order to do this, we need to declare two matrices M and N, okay, of any order. No, so in this case I'm saying let M be the matrix 3, 4, minus 7, let's say 8, and N be the matrix, let me say minus 3, 5, 2, and 9. So what we need to do here, let's take the left hand side first. The left hand side first, which is M transpose minus N transpose. So we transpose M and then transpose N. So we are transposing 3, 4, minus 7, 8. The transpose of this minus the transpose of 3 minus 3, 5, 2, 9. The transpose of this. So remember, when we talk about transpose of a matrix, we simply mean exchanging the row for the column. So the row 1 becomes column 1, row 2 becomes column 2. So in this case here now, the transpose of this matrix will become 3, 4, minus 7, 8. Okay, this minus 7. Then minus the row 1 here becomes column 1, minus 3, 5, 2, 9. Alright, so if we subtract this, remember when you subtract matrices, we subtract according to the positions of the elements. So 3 minus 3 will give us 6. Minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So this is M transpose minus N transpose. Now let's see if we have M minus N transpose, okay, M minus N transpose. So we subtract the matrix N from matrix M, and we get the transpose of the result if it's going to be the same as this. So matrix M is this, 3, 4, minus 7, 8, 3, 4, minus 7, and 8, minus N. Matrix N is minus 3, 5, 2, 9. Minus 3, 5, 2, 9. Okay, so we take the transpose of this difference. So when we subtract this, 3 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So we take the transpose of this. When we take the transpose of this, row 1 here becomes column 1. So we have 6 minus 1. Row 2 becomes column 2. Minus 9 minus 1. Now let's compare the result if they are the same. 6 minus 1 for column 1. 6 minus 1 column 1. Minus 9 minus 1 column 2. Minus 9 minus 1 column 2. So we can conclude here that M transpose minus N transpose is actually the same as M minus N transpose. Okay, so that's the first question. So what that tells us now is that M plus n transpose is the same as m transpose plus n transpose. So if what you have is minus, then this also will be minus. Okay, so that's for the first question. Now for the second question, okay, the second question now. So let's look at the second question together. So you can use this solution now to confirm your own answer if the results are actually the same. Okay, if the results are actually the same. So in this case of the one I've just answered now, the left hand side and the right hand side are both the same. This side here is the right hand side. That's RHS here, the right hand side of the question. All right. So now the second part of the question says we are given this question number 2. We are given matrix P to be the matrix of the element x minus y, x plus y, x minus m, y minus n, and then we are given matrix Q to be the matrix 7, 5, 8, 3, and the difference between the two matrices P minus Q is also given to be 9, m, 6, 2n. Okay, so the question is for us to find the values of x, y, m, and n. Okay, so we have the difference already given. So let's take it the normal way, the usual way, assuming we want to find P minus Q in the real of it from here. So this will mean matrix P, x minus y, x plus y, x minus m, y minus n, minus matrix Q, 7, 5, 8, 3. Now this difference here is given as this. So in place of P minus Q, let's put this matrix to 9, m, 6, 2n. Okay, so this is equal to x. So if you are going to subtract this from here straight, okay, let's just do that. So this will mean x minus y minus 7. X minus y minus 7. Then for this we have x minus m minus 5. X minus m minus 5. Then this is x here. X plus y minus 8. X plus y minus 8. Then for this we have y minus n minus 3. Y minus n minus 3. So what this simply tells us is that these two matrices here are equal. And if the two matrices are equal, this simply means 9 is equal to this, m is equal to this, okay, 6 is equal to this, and 2n is equal to this. Okay, so if you have tried this question yourself, okay, so your steps should be the same as mine here. So if we pair this now, we pair the equations, the elements now, we are going to have a simultaneous equation. Okay, so for 9 here, 9 is equal to x minus y minus 7. 9 equals x minus y minus 7. If we simplify this, bring the minus 7 back here. So we have 9 plus 7 equals x minus y. So this is 16 equals x minus y. You can leave this one as equation number 1 because you don't know x, you don't know y. So that's equation number 1. Then for the second one we have 6 equals x plus y minus 8. 6 equals x plus y minus 8. In the same way, 6 plus 8 will be equal to x plus y. So this is 14 equals x plus y. We leave this one as equation number 2. Okay, so we solve these two simultaneous equations for x and y. And by merely looking at this, we can have the sum of the two equations to be added together. Let's solve the equation for x and y. You can pause the video and try to solve for x and y yourself as well. Now, looking at equation 1 and 2, we can easily add these two equations together to give us the value of x and y. To give us value of x first, this minus y, this is plus y. So we can simply add equation 1 and equation 2. So if you had equation 1 and 2, then we are saying 16 plus 14, that's 30, equals x plus x is 2x. Of course, minus y plus y is 0. So if we solve for x here, we are going to have x to be equal to 30 divided by 2, dividing both sides by 2. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 15. So x is 15. So now that x is 15, we can find y either from equation 1 or equation 2. So in that case, we can simply say substitute 15 for x. And let's just say equation 1. And equation 1, we have 16 equals x minus y. 16 equals x minus y. So in this case, now that x is 15, we have 16 equals 15 minus y. So which means if you make y subject to formula here, y will be equal to 15 minus 16. Bring this minus y back, it has the plus. 16 will go to the other side to become minus. So y in this case equals minus 1. Alright? So now that y is equal to minus 1, okay, let me make a division here. Now, here, we'll come back here to say m as well is equal to x minus m minus 5. M equals x minus m minus 5. Now, don't forget that x has been calculated here to be 15. So this is m equals 15 minus m minus 5. So we solve this equation now for m. Bring this minus m back here. So this will make m plus m. That's collecting like terms. 15 minus 5. Okay, 15 minus 5. M plus m is 2m equals 15 minus 5 is 10. And so when we divide both sides by 2, m will be equal to 10 over 2. This is 5. So m is 5. Then for the second row, second column, 2n is equal to y minus n minus 3. As well as 2n equals y minus n minus 3. Y also has been calculated here to be minus 1. So 2n will be minus 1 minus n minus 3. Collect like terms here. We have 2n plus n equals minus 1 minus 3. So 2n plus n is 3n. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So n equals minus 4 over 3. So we can conclude that x equals 15, y equals minus 1, m equals 5, and n is minus 4 over 3. Okay, so that is the solution to the assignment. Alright, so if you have practiced this and you are able to get the answers right, that is a kudos to you. Okay, so please, in the next video, okay, check very well. Okay, I'll be discussing determinants of a matrix. Okay, determinants of a matrix. Okay, whether 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. All right, so that will be in the next video. All right, so please, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this channel, this is Programmed Mathematics. I am Moses Oluwasegun Walex. I'm the tutor on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, recommend the videos, like the videos. Please give it thumbs up on all the videos you watch. Okay, and as well, please make your comments known in the comment section. Should you have any question at all, please check through the video description. Okay, so you see my contacts there, how you can get across to me through my mail, my social media handles, and through even the comment section is available. So please do me this great favor so that I can as well reach the larger audience and at the same time make a good life for myself. So thank you so much and see you in subsequent videos.